I'm Ryan Carpenter with Moberi, and today I'm going to show you all how I make a Dragon Bowl Z, one of our favorite Pitaya Bowls. One of the most common questions people ask when they come into Moberi is what is the difference between acai and pitaya? I started with acai, I love it. It's from Brazil, it's a superfood, but pitaya's got a lot going on for it too. It's high in antioxidants, it really boosts your immune system, it's good for your skin, plus it tastes delicious, especially when you put it together like we do at Moberi. We make it really thick to order. It's got pitaya, pineapple, strawberry, and a little bit of banana and apple juice in it. We blend it up to make it almost like a sorbet-like texture. It's nice and thick. It can carry the weight of all of the rest of our toppings. Granola is a great starting point. That gives you the foundation for some other fresh fruit and superfoods. And after the granola, we add banana. No acai bowl is complete without a ring of banana. 4 is enough. Then strawberries, one of my favorite fruits, especially because they make them great in the Northwest. And blueberries. So it doesn't really matter where they end up. It's all gonna be delicious. Let's just go for it. Then goji berries. I nicknamed these happy berries. They're from the Himalaya. Super good for you. High in antioxidants, as many of our products are. Coconut. A nice dusting of coconut. Makes it taste that much more tropical. Not exactly for antioxidant game, but for deliciousness, we've got honey. Again, buy local when you can. And that's how you make a Dragon Bowl Z. You can get this at any of our 4 Portland locations. It's one of my favorite bowls. Good any time of year. Looking forward to seeing you.